My dear students, hope you all are well. This is Shetu Mitro, lecturer, Department of Agriculture Studies, Milestone College, Uttara Dhaka. Now, you all are welcome to my today's discussion.
Today I will discuss about chapter 1 section 2 from second paper. The name of the chapter is aquaculture and the name of the section is shrimp farming and management. After completing today's lesson, you are able to know about board coming knowledge based question, comprehensive based question and multiple choice questions and other important questions about knowledge based, comprehensive based and MCQ. Here you can see a STEM based question. This question came in August 2019. The STEM is Shajib is a paddy farmer. He would like to culture fish with paddy. For counseling, he went to fisheries officer and fisheries officer suggested him to culture prawn. And here the questions are, first is which species of prawn which Shajib have to select. We know about Golda and Bagda shrimp, but you know that Golda shrimp is suitable to culture with rice in rice field. That's why the answer will be the Golda. The second question is the advantages of culture shrimp mentioned in the STEM with paddy fields are: first, wheat grows less, decreased yield of rice and low production cost. But when shrimp is cultured with rice, that is integrated cultivation of shrimp with paddy, then no yield of rice will be decreased. That's why the answer will be wheat grows less and low production cost. That is 1 and 3. The options are in B. Here you can see a STEM, and this STEM based MCQ came in 2017 on all boards. This STEM is similar like previous STEM, and this question came in 2017 on all board. The STEM is Halim is a rice farmer. He cultivated rice in sweet water. He asked suggestion to the fisheries officer for cultivating fish with rice. He was given suggestion for shrimp cultivation. This question is like the previous question, that is, which variety shrimp should be selected by Halim, Bagda, Golda, Chaka or Horina. And then the advantages of cultivating these shrimp varieties are: decreased rice production, weights grow less production cost. Here the options for number 1 is Bagda, Golda, Chaka, Horina, and here the Golda will be the right answer because Golda is the most suitable shrimp which can be cultivated with rice field. And the second question is advantages of cultivating these shrimp varieties are. This question is also like or also similar to the previous question, that is decreased rice production. When shrimp is cultivated with rice field, that is integrated farming, their rice production must not decreases. Rice production will increases. That's why decreased rice production, this option is not correct. And then wheats grow less, this option is correct. Less production cost, this option is also correct. So the answer will be 2 and 3, that is point C. Which prawn is familiar as black tiger? This question is very important. The options are Golda, Bagda, Chada or Horina. As black tiger, that is the option B is the right answer, that is Bagda. Second question is characteristics of Bagda shrimp. Options are body color light brown or green, head weight is 1/3 of total body weight, and third options is lives in saline water. And the three options are the characteristics of Bagda shrimp. That's why the answer will be the D, that is 1, 2 and 3. The question may be characteristics of Golda shrimp. This question is also important. Which is the severe disease of shrimp? Mainly, white spot disease is the serious disease or severe disease of shrimp, and in Bagda shrimp cultivation, virus attacks more, and the main viral disease is white spot disease. It hampered in Bagda shrimp cultivation if white spot diseases are found in Bagda shrimp cultivation. The second question is the causes of white spot disease is mainly the causal organism or the causes of white spot disease is virus. So the answer will be the virus. Here you can see the image of white spot disease. This disease is very serious and severe disease of among prawn diseases, and this is a viral disease. You can see some white spots are present in the carapace of this shrimp. How many species of shrimp are found in Bangladesh? Mainly 67 species of shrimp are found in Bangladesh. And the second question is when shrimp take food? Mainly we know that shrimp is a nocturnal animal. That's why mainly shrimp take their food in night time. So the answer will be at night. Here you can see some important MCQs or knowledge based question like which fish is called white gold? Mainly shrimp is called white gold. Especially Golda shrimp is called white gold. If Golda shrimp is present on the options, then the answer will be Golda shrimp. But if only shrimp is present in the options, then the shrimp will be the answer. Second question is which shrimp is found on sweet water? Mainly Golda shrimp is found on sweet water, and Bagda shrimp mainly found on saline water. Here you can see some another important knowledge based question, that is shrimp mainly intake food from which layer of pond? A pond have three layers, upper layer, middle layer and lower layer. Mainly shrimp stay in the upper layer and it intake food from the upper layer. Which portion of shrimp looks like sword? Mainly the front of the head, one sword-like portion present. This portion is called rostrum. Last question is which shrimp is familiar in black tiger? Bagda. Mainly Bagda shrimp is familiar in black tiger. Bagda shrimp is a saline water shrimp. Mainly we can find Bagda shrimp in saline water, and it is familiar in black tiger. Giant black tiger shrimp or giant black tiger is another name of Bagda shrimp. The scientific name of Golda and Bagda shrimp. The scientific name of Golda shrimp is Macrobaracium rosenbenji, and the scientific name of Bagda shrimp is Phineas monodon. First image you can see a Golda shrimp, and in the second image you can see Bagda shrimp. Here you can see some another knowledge based question, that is which shrimp is cultivated with rice? Golda. Mainly when integrated cultivation is done, shrimp with rice, most favorite shrimp or most popular shrimp is Gouda shrimp, because Gouda shrimp can be easily cultivated with rice field, and both production of rice and shrimp is increases. Which paddy field is most suitable for shrimp farming? Mainly Boro and Amon. Both fields are suitable for shrimp farming, but Boro field is most suitable for shrimp farming. Where does the Gouda shrimp live? Gouda shrimp live above the mud on the bottom. Mainly shrimps are present at the lower level of the pond, and Gouda shrimp present in the bottom layer above the mud. Last question is, what is gher? Mainly a water bodies where shrimp is cultured or shrimp farming is done. This water bodies is called gher. Here you can see some comprehensive based question. These questions are board coming question. First question is, why shrimp culture is profitable? Explain. This question came in Dhaka board, Dinajpur board, Sylhet board, Jashore board on 2018. Mainly shrimp is very popular among all fishes, and demand of shrimp is more in local market and abroad. 7.8% export income comes from shrimp, and shrimp fries are available. Shrimp farming can be done with less investment. If anyone want to establish a shrimp farm, he can easily collect the shrimp fries and he can easily culture this. And shrimp demand on local market and abroad market is very high. Export income of shrimp is also very high, and for all of this reason shrimp culture is profitable. The second question is, why shrimp culture is called nocturnal? It came in Dhaka board, Borishal board, Chittagong board on 2017. Shrimp is a nocturnal animal because shrimp completed its normal activities at night time. Normal activities means food intake, mating, egg laying, every activities complete at night time. That's why shrimp is called nocturnal. This two question is very important comprehensive based question in this section. Why shrimp culture is profitable and why shrimp is called nocturnal. Here are some other comprehensive based question, that is characteristics of Gouda and Bagda shrimp. Two popular shrimp among all shrimp varieties is Gouda shrimp and Bagda shrimp. Mainly Gouda shrimp lives in fresh water or sweet water, that is, it is a sweet water fish. Its head is big about half of its total body weight, and its head is big than Bagda shrimp's head. The rostrum of Gouda shrimp is long and curved, but the rostrum of Bagda shrimp is small and straight. Mainly antennas of Gouda shrimp is triflagellated and the antennas of Bagda shrimp is biflagellated. The color of Gouda shrimp is green to almond or greenish, white greenish color, and the color of Bagda shrimp is green color or light brownish or grayish color. And the Gouda shrimp is omnivorous and Bagda shrimp is carnivorous. Mainly these are the main characteristics or comparison of Gouda shrimp and Bagda shrimp. and their scientific name is also important, and you can write it on the characteristics. Why coastal region is suitable for shrimp culture? Mainly, in coastal region, the water and soil is suitable for shrimp culture, and Bagda and Golda, both shrimp can be cultivated in saline water or semi-saline water. Mainly, Bagda is a saline water fish, and many varieties of Golda shrimp can be cultivated in semi-saline water. That's why coastal region is suitable for shrimp culture. Mainly, the soil and water and environment is suitable, and shrimp fries can be easily cultivated in coastal region. That's why shrimp culture is suitable for cultivated in coastal region. The symptoms, explain the symptoms of white spot disease. White spot disease is one of the most severe diseases among shrimp. Some symptoms are mainly when white spots attacked in shrimp. Some circular white spots are appear in the carapace of shrimp. After 4 to 8 days of attacking, shrimp may die or shrimp will die. After 30 to 45 days of fry stocking, this disease may appear. These symptoms are the main symptoms of white spot diseases. And white spot disease is a viral disease. That's why if it appears on shrimp farming, it is very harmful for farmers. Here you can see another comprehensive based question, that is why shrimp is called white gold. Mainly the answer of this question is similar to the previous question, that is what is the economic importance of shrimp. Mainly shrimp is most popular among all fishes, and demand of shrimp is more in local market and abroad. Mainly 7.8% export income comes from shrimp, and the color of Golda shrimp is whitest, and that's for all of this reason shrimp is called white gold. And write down the advantages of shrimp culture in rice field. Mainly integrated rice, that is shrimp culture with rice field, have many advantages, like rice and shrimp can be cultivated on the same land. Both paddy crops and shrimps are benefited. Soil fertility increases. Production cost is low but profit is very high. Growth of weeds is very low. Much capital is not required and it is less risky. There is no problem if supplementary food is not supplied in the shrimp. So for all of this reason, or these are the advantages of shrimp culture with rice field. My dear students, that's all for today. If you have any questions or any queries about today's lesson, ask your subject teacher. They must help you. That's all for today's lesson. Thank you all.